if you're experiencing login issues with Barclays, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that may be causing issues with the login process. Step 4. Update your browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not be compatible with the Barclays login page, leading to issues. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the problem persists, reach out to Barclays customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues efficiently. If you continue to face problems, don't hesitate to seek help from customer service.